What's that? No, it doesn't. This is pop. That's alcohol. Oh yeah? Let's turn the light here. Nope. Alright. Alright guys. What's for dinner guys?
Salmon.
Check it out guys. It is salmon.
Yes.
Not salmon, but salmon. And the drink of choice, I might as well try this guys. What do you guys think?
What is that?
Modelo guys. Look at that.
Motello.
It just came out of the freezer. I put it in the freezer. Oh, look how nice and cold that looks. Holy camole, Jess. Doesn't that look nice? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So Jess is gonna cook some salmon tonight. Is that correct, Jess? Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right, guys. All right, you guys are in for a treat once again, guys. You're gonna see Jess's version of baked salmon. I don't know if you guys already seen that. You've probably already seen it in my older videos. But yeah, there's Romeo over there. Say hi, Romeo.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
All right, Jess, what you doing, Jess? What are you doing? Jess is preparing the tray for the salmon, guys. Look at that. You guys are in. You guys are in for a treat, guys. Oh, my Modelo exploded, guys. It exploded. Goodness. Okay, so. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying this episode of Jessie's Cooking Corner, right, Jess? Like I said, she is making baked salmon, guys. Check it out. Now she's about to clear the oven to make way for the masterpiece, guys. Look at that. Okay. Look at that, guys. Woo. Oh my goodness. We got a whole bunch of stuff in there. Got a whole bunch of pots and pans in there, Jess. What's going on there? Alright guys, we got some steak